I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a booth and permissions. Now open Roblox Studio and load the place. Once loaded, enter Play Solo to test without affecting players. You should locate the booth model in the Explorer and find the GUI or number display component. From here, make sure the script or plugin that shows donation numbers is enabled. Open its Properties panel so you can change the display value, font size, and channel that reports donations. You now set the how and why of the numbers. First, pick the source, cash donations, points, or a custom variable that increments on donation events. Then change font, color, and alignment so the number reads at a glance. Use a prefix like $, for currency. Once done, configure update frequency and rounding to avoid jitter. Choose 0 or 2 decimals depending on currency. Also add a short animation, or tween, so updates catch attention without distracting players. You're almost done. Save your edits, publish the place, and perform tests with multiple simulated donors in Play Solo or a private server. Make sure the number replicates from server to client so everyone sees updates and that values persist after a restart. If numbers fail to update, check event bindings and remote functions first, then open the output/console for errors. Finally, confirm permissions and that the donation handling script is running on the server rather than just the client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.